my God. What do we do? Like, I don't want to...
Well, he needs to get on top of his car and jump to the thing just like that other guy did. Well, there's a guy that just drove in.
Okay.
I can hear it.
He can hear it.
Tell him to get out. Just yell. Go tell him.
Dude, you got to get out of the car. You got to get out.
What can I do?
Swim.
What?
Swim. Swim.
What to do?
Leave the car. Swim.
Stay in the car?
Leave the car. Swim. No. Come here, sir. Sir. Come here.
Thank you.
Yes, we're here.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Yes. Hey, we can hear you. Are you okay, sir?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.